All paintings in the beginning have an ugly duckling stage. So stay with it, keep refining your work, and it'll slowly come in to a more finished look with color harmony. Here are some color mixtures I use to help create that color harmony. Hopefully this is inspiring to you. That air color was mixed throughout that whole painting, even down in the shadows of the foreground. If you need a reminder of how to mix the air color, check out the link in your email. All right, my friend, you stay encouraged and stay at the easel.